So I bought a noodles. I don't know if it's good or bad for running, pero kasi sobrang konting-konti na lang ng distance ko at my home. Pero let's talk about having a girlfriend at a young age. You know what? At my past recent relationships, all of them failed. Merong sobrang saglit lang. Meron namang isa na nag 2 years kami pero we still ended it. I thought we're the end game, you know. Akala ko magkatagal kami. Pero life didn't work that way, man. And actually, she's the reason why I started this all. I mean, hindi siya yung pinaka-rason kung bakit ginagawa ko to. Pero kasi nung nag-break up kami, I was so bored at my house. I remember it's summer. May yun eh. We don't have any class, so I'm living in boredom. Tapos nakikita ko lahat ng mga self-improvement creators na they're vlogging, they're documenting their life, they're giving value to their audience. And sabi ko, why not I try it? Kasi before, 3 years ago, when I dropped out of school, I thought yun yung makakasolve ng mga problema ko, pero I was totally fucking wrong, man. Pero yeah, I pursued it. I remember vlogging myself. Pinakaunang video ko was how to start going to the gym with zero confidence. I look so fucking dumb there, bro. Actually, hindi ko lang yung ginagawa ko, to be honest. Pero I still keep doing it. Hanggang sumabot ako sa point na to. I'm still doing the things that I love. After a year, at my birthday. And that ex of mine, I don't fucking care at her. Not in a bad way. Pero I'm enjoying what I'm doing right now. And I don't need to care too much about my past. What I need to care is about my future, about my present self, and how do I improve my life.